Welcome back. Caught me off guard, I wasn't ready there. First off, I want to thank everyone that participated in the poll on Facebook. Okay? You selected for the next meal on the GooderThanAMug show to be the scallop and spinach gratin. So, that's what I'm going to hook up for you today. And you know how it is, and you know how we do. Let's get busy. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little prep going here, get all my ingredients prepped. Let me dice and mince some fresh shallots. This is one small shallot. Looks like garlic, but it's not because it's so small. It's shallots. Okay, and we're gonna julienne cut some spinach, and we're gonna dice and mince some basil. Then we'll get our fresh scallops and towel blot them dry. Here will be the only thing that we cook on the stove, and that is basically just toasting these shallots. We're gonna get them a nice golden brown color. Toast them and set them to the side for later. And next, we're gonna add some creme fraiche to a mixing bowl. I found that it's hard to find creme fraiche in the grocery store where I live. And if you have this problem, you can make your own, okay? All it takes is about 3 parts heavy whipping cream, 1 part buttermilk. You add the 2, mix them together, and leave them setting out at room temperature for a good 12 to 24 hours until you get the thickness that you like. And in this mixing bowl, of course, I added some grated garlic and some lemon zest, and of course, some Sauvignon Blanc. And we're gonna season it lightly with salt, ground white pepper, and yes, my favorite spice of them all, Cayenne Pepper. I love the heat. Whisk it together, and then add those scallops to this mixture. When I tell you, you're gonna fall in love with this sauce. You're gonna try and put it on pasta and anything else that you can think of. This sauce goes on. It is so good. It's gooder than a mug. Now set those aside and get yourself prepared for the next step. All right. So in some small baking and serving bowls, I'm going to line those with butter. And if you really want the health factor out of it, just use olive oil or safflower seed oil, whichever you choose. I just sacrificed the health part for the flavor and added some melted butter right there to the bottom of the pan. Okay, and then we're going to layer it with those toasted shallots and the spinach. Go ahead and even it all out, and then we're going to add the scallops to it next. Isn't that just beautiful? But you know what's even gooder? This sauce. Oh my God, watch this. Oh man, you're gonna fall in love with this sauce. I'm telling you, you've been trying to put it on everything. Just watch and see what I tell you. It is delicious. And we're gonna dust the top with Parmesan cheese. Just dust the top with a little Parmesan. It doesn't take a whole lot, of course. This is a light dish, light and healthy, okay? And then we're gonna add the basil, of course. And for a little color, a little smoked paprika. And we'll drizzle the top with more butter. Just a tad though. I mean, it's gratin. Alright, make sure the oven is preheated at 450 degrees. You're gonna let it bake for a good 2 to 3 minutes and then turn it to broil for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until your top looks like that and you have this piece of treasure right here. Man, this is absolutely gooder than a mug. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.